Hey everybody, welcome back to Durbin's Bourbon. I'm Joe.
And I'm Josh.
Today we're doing a cocktail. Not just any cocktail, but a smoked old-fashioned. We're not going to go over how to make an old-fashioned. You all know how to do that. If you don't,
there's videos.
We've done some videos on it. We've got a smoked old-fashioned kit here. My amazing wife, we had a wedding anniversary, 14 years. I know she's put up with me that long. Got me a smoker kit from SITOO Cocktail Creations. Comes with 4 tins.
I'm just kidding, I don't know.
You know what it might be?
Maybe it's SITOO
or SITOO.
Or SITOO.
Yeah, it might. Now I'm confused. Either way, came in a really nice presentation box with a butane flame thing and 4 different tins. Apple, what was it? Apple, peach, cherry, and I think another peach.
Yeah, 2 peaches.
2 peaches. I have apple.
Millions of peaches.
And a little disc thing that they said like a flying saucer, which is what they talk to. I put the wood chips in here already. We're going to set it right on top. Actually, you know what? You probably should put the cocktail in there first before you smoke it. So
I also realize we don't have the microphone, so hopefully you can hear it on there.
Oh no!
Go ahead and make it.
All right,
right here.
Another one. So anyway, I've already made the old fashioned. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here.
He's making this one for me because he already had one. Cheater.
I did. I had to try it and see if it worked like I remembered. So let's set that out of the way. A little bit of
COVID. Stupid COVID.
Oh, I can't shake the cough, man.
Orange. It doesn't lose my taste or anything.
Yeah, that's nice. Get in there.
Get in there.
Okay, now watch the magic. We're gonna take the little lid off. And away you go.
I'll get to let it sit there.
I let mine, the one I tried earlier, a little while, a minute or two, couple minutes. I went up and blasted it again. They said to make sure you get a good flame going in there, and then it pushes it down into it.
Can you see that?
And then it's floating around in there, and it is amazing how the smoke actually gets into the liquid.
And you don't have to stir it or anything, just let it sit on top?
I let it sit, and then I did pick it up a little bit and I rolled it around. I gassed it a couple times. I think the amount of flame and smoke you put in it directly correlates with how much you really enjoy the smoke flavor.
Right.
Because the one I did a little bit earlier was pretty smoky. I'll hit it a little bit more. Make sure we really get those guys. And then the flame keeps going, and I light myself on fire. Then it's a whole.
You are playing with alcohol, but you know.
True. So it's in there pretty decent. It's nice little amount of smoke. Then voila.
Oh, that's cool.
There's your smoke.
Did you drink it right away?
Yeah.
Cheers, pal.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Oh, I sucked in the smoke. Oh yeah, it does add a whole
a whole different depth to it.
Yeah. Wow, that's good.
And then I put it back on the one I made earlier today, and I put it back on. I gassed it some more, and I'm like, oh man. And then I really.
Is that the apple?
That is the apple, yes.
Oh, you can taste it.
You can.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Neat little gadget. Yeah. Price anywhere, like this particular one, I've seen it online anywhere from Amazon on the low end, $20-30 to the website you can go to. It's about $89.
Oh.
So there's different manufacturers of all of these. This is just the one my wife found and got for me. So I've always wanted one, and
that just has like you said, an extra layer to your cocktail making, so it's just more fun. I like it. Totally. Yeah. Man,
isn't that crazy?
You can smell it.
And then here's a regular.
yeah,
I made myself an exact old fashioned, only no smoke.
Oh, that's crazy.
No smoke at all with all the exact same ingredients. The bourbon we use today is Buffalo Trace bourbon. We're huge fans. Raw sugar.
Oh man, try them side
Demerara
by
sugar.
side.
Really?
So you don't want to get the epizootic.
This immune
You're
to
immune,
it.
that's right. Picture of health. It's way less sweet, which I like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like that
Wow.
really sweetness out of the old fashioned.
Well, guess what? I'm gonna I'm gonna gas mine.
Gas it. Oh, it's still smoking.
How come this runs out?
It's just a piece of shit lighter, probably.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Like if you had a real good one.
And there's a little. There must be if a little's good, a lot's better.
Yeah, it's just like anything. Taking meds, whatever.
Yeah.
Alcohol, if a little makes you feel good, a lot will make you feel even better.
We'll swirl it around in there a little.
Smoke helps your lungs.
Smoke in the house.
You still fight though.
Those smoke detectors go off. Bam! Check that out.
Yeah.
Smoky goodness.
And it gets the dog fart smell out
I
of here.
know.
It's like incense.
Literally one just farted.
I know if you heard it on there. All right, well.
I think
It's good, man.
It takes that little sweet bite off of
Yeah.
it, but it gives it a different depth. There you have it. Smoked old fashions. You can do smoked Manhattans. You can do all kinds of cocktails with smoke. I can't wait to go plowing through the rest of these apple.
Yeah, try
See what
peach and
other kind of stuff they do. But anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Little something different product reviews. We don't do a lot of them, but when we do get some neat, we try to show you all so you can see if you want to get one or not.
I would say get one.
I would too.
If you like to make cocktails.
And this came in a complete kit. The only thing that you need to get on the outs is some butane fuel. You can get it anywhere.
A couple bucks.
Yeah, there you go. And you just fill it up and away you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Should we wrap it up?
Yeah.
As always, enjoy your whiskeys and bourbons
Any way you like.
Cheers everybody.
Cheers, pal.
Cheers, buddy.